Hi guys, this is our storm shelter. It is located about a few feet away from our house, and our property is kind of rocky, so we put it right here beside, on the edge. Right there, and we put dirt on top of it and on the side too, so it won't move. So we had that really big hurricane about, I think it was Hurricane Ivan, and some of the trees fell beside it, as you can see right there. And I'm going to go inside and show you what it looks like inside. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So it looks like this from the outside. We have some old cushions that we use for my girls to sit on. So the vents, this is one of the vent. There are two vents inside this big tank. So it's a big gas tank, and the other vent is right here. Well, we also got our electricity, so there is no air condition inside, but we don't need it. We have this, we can just, if we get hot, we can plug it in like an electric fan, or if it's cold, we can plug in a little heater. But it's pretty big inside and it's pretty tall, so I think it's about 8 feet tall. So it's a pretty good shelter if you need one. It's pretty nice in here, isn't it, baby? Here's my little boy. Say hi. These are the two vents for our storm shelter. There's one right there, and one over there by the entrance.